children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Be safe and stay at home. Drink plenty of water. Okay. Today we are going to learn the subject. Can you guess what subject? Yes, correct. English. Today we are going to learn the subject English. What's the spelling for English? E-N-G-L-I-S-H. English. Spell it once again. E-N-G-L-I-S-H. English. Today we are going to learn English subject. Okay. Now we are going to recall what we learnt in the last session. Shall we recall now? Do you guess the name of the lesson? Lesson 1 we learnt in the last class. Did you remember? Do you remember? I'll show you one picture. I show you one picture. From that picture, can you guess the name of the lesson? Can you guess the name of the lesson? Yes, I can hear the name you all are telling. What picture is it? Baby picture. Now you guess the name of the lesson? Good. All are right. The name of the lesson is New Baby. New Baby. Okay. Now see, the girl is running towards his mummy and daddy, what the mummy and daddy is having in their hand? They are having a small baby, a new baby. Shall we read the passage? Yes. W-E-V-H-A-V-E have, N-E-W new, B-A-B-Y baby. We have a new baby. S-H-E she, H-A-S has, C-O-M-E come, H-O-M-E home, W-I-T-H with, M-A-M-A mama, A-N-D and, P-A-P-A papa. She has come home with mama and papa. Then W-E-V-A-R-E-R-H-A-P-P-Y happy. T-O-2 H-A-V-E have. H-E-R hair. I-N-N. O-U-R our. F-A-M-I-L-Y family. We are happy to have her in our family. What's in the passage? The family get a new baby and the baby comes home with mama and papa. All are very happy to have the baby in their family. Next passage. See, the baby is on the lap of her sister. Yes. H-E-R hair. N-A-M-E name. I-S-S. T-I-N-A Tina. Her name is Tina. Whose name is Tina? The baby name is Tina. S-H-E she. I-S-S. S-O-S-O. T-I-N-Y. Tidy. Tiny. What's the meaning for tiny? Last week itself I told you, Tiny Very small. Good. She is so tiny. Next line. S-H-E, she. S-L-E-E-P-S. Sleeps. Yeah. L-O-T, lot. A lot. She sleeps a lot. What's in the passage? The name of the baby is Tina. She is very small and she sleeps for many hours. Many hours she sleeps. Okay. I-S-I-T, sit. O-N, on. T-H-E, there. B-E-D, bed. I sit on the bed. P-A-P-A, papa. P-U-T-S, puts. T-I-N-A, Tina. I-N-N, M-Y, my. L-A-P, lap. Papa puts Tina in my lap. What's the meaning of lap? Yes, you are right. The upper part of the leg. The upper part of the leg. Good. I-L-O-V-E, love. M-Y, my. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. I love my little sister. When the girl sits on the bed, her papa puts the baby in her lap. Lap means the upper part of the leg. She loves her little sister a lot. See, the girl is showing some toy to the child, no? From Tina, no? Yes. Shall we read the passage now? W-H-E-N, when. I-C-L-A-P, clap. When I clap. T-I-N-A, Tina. M-O-V-S, moose. H-E-R, hair. T-I-N-Y, tiny. H-A-N-D-S, hands. Tina moves her tiny hands. W-H-E-N, when. I-G-I-V-E, give. H-E-R, hair. Yeah. T-O-Y, toy. S-H-E, she. M-O-V-S, moose. H-E-R, hair. S-M-A-L-L, small. L-E-G-S, legs. When I give her a toy, she moves her small legs. What's in the passage? When the girl claps her hand, the baby moves her tiny, very small hands. When the girl gives her a toy, the baby moves her small legs. See, the baby is sleeping on the pillow, no? Yes, the girl is talking to that girl, baby, no? Yes. Shall we read the passage? W-H-E-N, when. I-C-A-L-L, call. T-I-N-A, Tina. When I call Tina. S-H-E, she. L-O-O-K-S, looks. A-T, at. M-E, me. She looks at me. W-H-E-N, when. I-T-O-U-C-H, touch. H-E-R, hair. S-O-F-T, soft. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. S-H-E, she. S-M-I-L-E-S, smiles. When I touch her soft cheek, she smiles. What's in the passage? When the girl calls her, your mommy call you by name, no? Yes, Papu Kutti, Kutti Ma, just like that she called you, no? Just like that, she called the baby Tina. Tina, the girl is calling. She looks at her. The baby is looking at her sister, the girl. When she touched the baby cheek, the baby smiles at her. The baby Tina smiles at her. See? See, the sister is hugging her little sister. The girl is hugging the little sister now. Yes, how much they are loving. Shall we read the passage? Yes. am, her, didi. What's that? Didi. Good. Didi means elder sister. Didi, elder sister. I am her Didi. Think. She. Loves. Loves. Give me. I think she loves me. Love. Tina. Tina. I love you too, Tina. The girl is her baby's Didi. Didi means elder sister. Baby Tina loves her sister very much. And the girl loves the baby Tina very much. Okay. Now we are going to learn the book back exercises. Now we are going to do comprehension. What's that? Comprehension. What's that? Comprehension. Comprehension. Part A. Comprehension. Part A. Tick. Tick. THE there, CORRECT, correct, WORDS, words. Tick the correct words. Number 1, THE there, LITTLE, little, BABY, baby, CAMEK, HOME, home, WITH, with dash. With whom the baby came home? Can you guess the answer? I'll show you the options now. From the options, we are going to select it. Okay? Option A. Option A, GRANDMA, grandma. AND and GRANDPA, grandpa. Option A, grandma and grandpa. Option B, MA, mama. AND and PAPA, papa. First option A, grandma and grandpa. Option B, mama and papa. With whom the baby came home? You guess the answer? Yes, your guess is right. The answer is mama and papa. So you have to give a tick for the answer. Okay? Question number 2. Question number 2. THEY, they, ARER, dash, TO2, HAVE, have, TINA, Tina, INN, T-H-E, the Family, family. They are dash to have Tina in the family. How they feel at home after seeing the baby? They feel happy or sad? Option A, Happy. Happy. Option B, Sad, sad. How they feel? They feel happy or sad? They feel happy, no? Happy to have the baby, no? Yes, so we have to give a tick in. The answer A, happy. Number 3. Number 3. Tina, Tina, dash, most, most, of, the, time. Tina, dash, most of the time. Option A, cries, cries. Option B, sleeps, sleeps. The baby cries or sleeps a lot most of the time. Most of the time. Lot, we learn no lot most of the time. Yes, the baby sleeps. The baby sleeps. So we have to give a tick in. Option B. Option B. Good. Now we are going to learn part B. Part B. Part B, match, match, the, questions, questions, with, their, answers, answers. Match the questions with their answers. What's the question? Shall we read now? Yes. WHAT, what? DOES, does. TINA, Tina. DO, do. WHEN, when. What does Tina do when? Her sister is doing, her sister Didi is doing some actions, no? For that actions, the baby is replying no by shaking the hands and legs. Yes, now we will read the question. Then you can find the answer. Number 1. Number 1, Didi, claps, claps. Didi claps. First question, Didi claps. Number 2, Didi, brings, brings, toy. Didi brings a toy. Third question. Number 3, Didi, touches, head, cheek. Didi touches a cheek. First one, Didi claps, Didi brings a, Didi touches a cheek. This side options. Okay, shall we read it now? A, TINA, Tina. MOVES, moves. HER, LEGS, legs. Tina moves her legs. B, TINA, Tina. SMILES, smiles. Tina smiles. Then C, TINA, Tina. MOVES, moves. HER, HANDS, hands. Tina moves her hands. AS, Tina moves her legs. B, Tina smiles. C, Tina moves her hands. What's the first question? Didi claps. Didi claps. When Didi claps the hand, what the baby is doing? The baby is moving the leg, or she smiles at her. Otherwise, she moves her hands. What is she doing? She moves her tiny hand. So we have to match Didi claps to Tina moves her hands. Good. And the second question, Didi brings a toy. When Didi brings a toy to the baby, what the baby is doing? She is moving her leg, otherwise she smiles. She moves her legs. Tina moves her legs. Good. Tina moves her legs. And number 3, Didi touches her cheek. Only one more option is there. Didi touches her cheek. Tina smiles. Didi touches her cheek. Tina smiles. Okay. Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. Now we are going to play with words. Play with words. Part C. Part C. Label, label. The, people, people. INN, PIYAS, Pias, FAMILY, family. Label the people in Pia's family. Number 1, MOTHER, mother. Mother is there in your family also, no? Yes. Number 2, FATHER, father. Number 3, GRANDMA, grandma. Number 3, grandma. Number 4, GRANDPA, grandpa. Number 4, grandpa. Number 5, BABY, baby. Okay. In Pia's family, how many members are there? 5 members are there. Okay. In your family, how many members are there? You ask your mommy and daddy and find out. Okay. When we are going to meet in the school, at that time you have to tell it to me. Okay. Yes. See the girl in red color dress. That she is Pia. Can you see that picture? Yes. Where is Pia? Pia is here. Pia is here. And then Pia is standing here. Pia is here. And the next one, who is he? Can you guess who is he? Old man. Yes, you are correct. Your guess is correct. Grandpa. And then old woman. Grandma. Good. Correct. And who is he? Who is he with the tie? Sitting with the tie? Father. Good. And this is mother. Good. You all are correct. Very good. You all understand the lesson. Yes. Who is the small one? Who is the small one standing near grandpa? Yes, baby. Correct. Shall we give numbers to them? Yes. Number 1, MOTHER, mother. So we have to mark number 1 for mother. Okay. And then number 2, FATHER, father. Father is here. So we have to write number 2. Grandma. Number 3, grandma. Grandma is here. So we have to give number 3, grandma. Number 4, grandpa. Grandpa is here, no? Yes. And then number 5, baby. Baby is here near the grandpa. Yes, now we finish off. Okay, now we pass on to the homework. What homework you have today? You have to learn and write. You have to learn. LEARN, learn. AND, and. WRITE, write. THE, there. NEW, new. WORDS, words. New words MEANINGS. Meanings AND OPPOSITES. Opposites one time. You have to learn and write the new words, meanings and opposites one time. Now I'll show you the pictures. Just like that, you have to write in one rough notebook and post it to me. Okay, you have to keep it safe also, because these are all the things you have to write in your classwork also. Okay, you have to keep it safe. First one, you have to write the lesson 1. Yeah, new baby you have to write. Then Roman letter 1, new words. Number 1, baby, B-A-B-Y, baby. Number 2, M-O-V-E, move. Number 3, C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Number 4, T-I-N-A, tina. Number 5, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Next what you have to write? Meanings. You have to write Roman letter 2, MEANINGS, meanings. Number 1, TINY, tiny. VERY, very. SMALL, small, very small. Number 2, DIDIDD, ELDER, elder. SISTER, sister. DD, elder, sister. Number 3, LAP, lap. THE, the. UPPER, upper. PAT, part. OF, off. THE, the. LEG, leg. The upper part of the leg. Okay. And the next one, opposites. This is the new one for you. First standard. This is the first time you are learning opposites. Yes. Roman letter 3, OPPOSITES, opposites. Number 1, SOFT, soft. What's the opposite for soft? HARD, hard. You eat cake, no? How do you feel at that time? It's very soft, no? Can you bite a stone? Can you bite a stone? You can't bite it because it's very hard. What's the opposite for soft? HARD, hard. Number 2, NEW, new. New means what? New. For birthday you buy a new dress, no? Yes, new. That's a new one. But daily you are wearing the old dress. OLD, old. Okay. And then number 3, SIT, set. STAND, stand. This one you know, I think. You did this exercise in your KG, UKG, no? Did you do that, no? Yes. Your miss gave you the exercise, no? Sit, stand, sit, stand. You all did it, no? Yes. Sit, stand. And then number 4, HAPPY, happy. SAD, sad. Happy means your daddy give you a big chocolate. How you feel? You feel happy. If you ask something, your daddy didn't buy it for you. How do you feel? You feel sad and cry, no? Yes. Happy, sad. What's the opposite for happy? Sad. And then small. SMALL, small. BIG, big. Small. SMALL, small. BIG, big. You all see a small ball, no? Yes. You all play cricket, no? How you play with that? You play with a small ball. If you want to play a football, how you play? The football is very small? No, it's bigger than the cricket ball, no? Yes. Small, big. What's the opposite for small? Big. Good. Soft, hard. Soft, hard, new, old, sit, stand, happy, sad, small, big. Okay. Today we finish off the learning. You all revise it at home. Okay, children. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Thank you.